The only love that I want is the big man sitting on the right up above.
That's right.
And I swear them girls chat bad on the net and said, oh, now they can't find
Where
me.
they at?
But the same girls moving all mad, wanna take a quick pic, just get right behind me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll just be doing a quick tutorial on how you can do a nice head wrap. So excuse this turban I'm going to put on. This is the stuff that I use. I always wrap my hair in this to sleep and stuff. So this is just to hold my hair up. I like to ensure that my locks is straight up. What I usually do is use some head wraps, not necessarily a afro head wrap, but just any normal one, and just tie it over it. So this is to give you wrap volume. I go with the next one. I usually use a thick one, but I can't tell you why I'm using the thick one today. So it's just like you're wrapping your hair with a normal wrap. This is just to make the hair with more volume. So this is not going to show. You don't have to do this in no neat way or anything, because it's quarantine. I didn't get to buy the cloth that I wanted to do my head wrap, so I had to compromise with these that I already had, and I have two pieces. So I like to tie this first, and you'd want to give this a X, like, oopsie. So you give this like an X, right? It's not as tight as I wanted. Good. Okay, and I tie this. So always remember when you tie that you have to tuck. Right? So you tie and tuck. So then you pull this up like this, and I would usually put something else at the top, right? So please excuse me. I know I'm just using a bunch of cloth and you're like, what is she doing? Alright, so I actually want to do something. Give me a minute. Alright, so I'm back. I just have to fit this on. So obviously that was optional, so that's why I didn't put it in. And I'm just gonna put this here to give me a little more height. It's not much, but it'll work. So I'm going to go with the other piece of wrap, and I'm gonna put this one from the top like this. And then bring it up. So just want to ensure I have that twist. So remember, I already knot the bottom here, so it's not really necessary to do that again. So I have this. It's not tight. I don't have a mirror. I'm looking at my viewfinder. If you see me looking up, it's probably look weird. So you just tie it to the back and tuck it in. So this is the back. And this is the front. So this is for a photo shoot. So it's not like I'll be having this all the time. So I don't think it's completely necessary to have like a neat, a tight one. This is basically how you do a head wrap. I can do so many different wraps. I don't know if you guys want me to do like a video with the different types of head wraps, but I can definitely do that. But this was the look I was going for, and you see how quick I did it in no time. No pins, no tactics. So this is my chain. So I'm going to do my own photo shoot. So basically I did make an appointment with a photographer and everything, but with this whole COVID-19 thing, he's like, I'm not doing it. I'm like, I would have to do my thing myself. So I was already dependent on creating my own look, so I just have to shoot the pictures by myself. I am not a professional photographer. Hopefully these videos come out good. Did I say videos? I mean pictures. This is my little back. This is my little backdrop. Oh my god, y'all, please don't laugh me, but yeah. Thank you for watching. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, you can go, you know, watch them up. You basically don't have anything to do, so yeah. But yes, thank you very much for watching. I am so sorry if I keep looking at my viewfinder, but thank you guys for watching. Mwah.
Go hide your man real quick, there's a creep outside called Ivorian doll. Go find your man real quick, cause he will get whipped if I give him my hand.